raise a hand if you have taken a Facebook ads course that wasn't made specifically for e-commerce brands. I hear from people all the time who have bought Facebook and Instagram ad courses and they didn't realize that there were courses that were specifically made for e-commerce brands. Is the strategy actually all that different? It absolutely is. Having a strategy that is catered to your type of business is essential to seeing success. Now, here's the thing. If you are seeing success with your current ads, keep them running. I'm not telling you to turn them off. But if you're not happy with the results that you're seeing, it's probably because that course content was not designed with your type of business in mind. This is why my course students come to me all the time telling me they wish they would have found my course first, because they see what a difference it makes when you actually have an ad strategy that's meant for e-commerce brands. I had a student who had spent $12,000 on a course from a big name course creator that everyone's talking about, and she spent $12,000 on the course and on ads, and she only had a handful of sales to show for it. She didn't realize that the advice wasn't meant for a Shopify store. She pivoted, gave Facebook ads in a weekend a try, even though she had already bought another course, and I'm happy to report that she is making sales every single day for the very first time profitably. Comment the word weekend, and I will show you literally this weekend how to set up money-making ads for your business.